Assalamualaikum students, welcome back to my channel. Again we are back with a new video. The topic of our today's video is to find the value of A and B in a given matrix. We are given a matrix A whose entries are 1, 2, A, B, and we are given another matrix A square whose all entries are 0. It means this is a null matrix. Now we have to find the values of A and B. Right. So here we have a matrix A and it is equals to 1, 2, A and B. Right. If we take A square, then it is equals to A dot A. It means we will multiply two matrices. So we will write the A matrix two times. So now we will multiply these two matrices. As we know that the multiplication rule of two matrices is we multiply the rows with the column. So first we will multiply first row with the first column. So we have 1 into 1, which means 1 plus 2A. Now we will multiply the same row with this second column. And we have 1 2 times is 2 plus 2 into B times is 2B. Now we will multiply second row with the first column and we have A plus this AB. Now multiplying same row with the second column and we have 2A plus B square. Let me label this matrix as 1 and this is equals to A square. Another A square we have is a null matrix 0, 0, 0 and 0. Let me label this matrix as 2. Right? So now we will compare these two matrices. As we know that when two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. So now we will compare these two matrices. We have four equations. 1 plus 2A, this is equals to 0. This is equation number 3. Then we have 2 plus 2B, this is equals to 0. Equation number 4. Then we have A plus AB, this is equals to 0. Equation number 5. And lastly we have 2A plus B square, this is equals to 0. Equation number 6. So now we will find the value of A and B. From equation number 3, we have 1 plus 2A, this is equals to 0. This implies 2A, it is equals to minus 1 and A is equals to minus 1 over 2. So this is the value for A. Now putting this value in another equation, suppose we put this value here in the fifth equation. So this is, we have A plus AB. We have put the value of A in equation number 5. So taking this term to the other side of equality, we have this is minus B over 2. It is equals to 1 over 2. Right? Now taking this 2 to the other side of equality, now it will multiply, right? So 2 and 2 will be cancelled out and we have minus b equals to 1, or we can say that b is equals to minus 1. So this is the value for b and this is the value for a. Let's take another example. In this question we are going to find the value of x and y, and we are given these two matrices. We know that when two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal, right? So we start comparing these elements. X plus 3 is equals to y. And we have another equation which is 3y minus 4. This is equals to 2x. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now this is the value of y here. So putting this value of y in the second equation, 3. Now y is equals to x plus 3 minus 4 and this is equals to 2x. Now this is 3x plus 3 times is 9 minus 4, this is equals to 2x. 3x plus 9 minus 4, this is equals to positive 5 equals to 2x. So now we have 3x, taking this 2 to left hand side of the equality and taking this positive 5 to the other side of equality. Now it will have a negative sign. So 3x minus 2x, simple x, this is equals to minus 5. Now we will put this value of x in equation number 1 in order to get the value of y. The value of x is minus 5 plus 3 equals to y. So we have y is equals to minus 2. So this is the value of x and y respectively. I hope you like this video. So give this video a thumbs up and also give your feedback in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Take care.